Good morning. It's a beautiful day in Zamunda. I feel so good. I don't want to get up, but I gotta get up. How y'all morning going? Love it. Love it. Yeah, so I got a lot going on, you know. I got some stuff I need to do today. So like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and get ready for some fun on what I got to do today. You already know the deal. What's going on? I'm over here getting ready. Gotta head out. It's a beautiful morning in South Florida. I hope y'all having a productive day. I know I am. And I hope you woke up happy. In a good mood. I want you guys to get up, stretch, look in the mirror, and thank yourself for all the positive shit that you got in your life right now. All the good stuff. Don't even think about the bad stuff. Just think about all the good stuff that you're thankful for. And look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself the stuff that you don't have, that you want, that you're gonna push and work harder for it. Because it's attainable. It's all obtainable. But let me finish getting ready, and I'll take you guys along on my day. Yo. I know I ain't been dropping videos lately and everything, but I got a lot of videos coming soon. I got a couple trips and things like that. Right now I'm going to Bass Pro. I'm picking up one of my guns I always wanted to my collection. That's another thing I want to do. I want to drop a gun range video for y'all with all my guns in my gun collection. So I'm gonna try to keep these videos going. I got like 4 trips out the country, and I'm gonna take y'all along step by step, all the excursions, lavish shit, luxury shit, good food, good people. So just stick around. I got y'all.
Baby no beat, esquece.
Front. Yeah. I'll be back.
So I want to park it right there, call me.
Okay.
Yeah, pick up right there.
Okay. You guys in line?
So you gotta do the QR thing.
Okay.
They'll call you when you.
Okay.
If you don't have a phone, no trouble with it. Yeah. So how did you get in the queue?
about getting a Magnum. I changed my mind. Ended up getting a 38 Special. Yeah, so I'm 6th in line. They moving real slow. This wait time is atrocious. I could have sent it to a private dealer, but I thought Bass Pro would be faster, but it's not that fast. I'm like 6th in line. They got one dude back here. So I took a seat. I'm waiting. Hopefully once I fill out my paperwork and everything, it should be a 15-minute process and I can pick it up and go. I'll keep y'all posted.
2 hours later.
Yeah, they told me I had to come back tomorrow. They said the FDLE was basically holding my application for too long. They wrote me a slip and all of that. I don't, you know. But shout out to Chad that work at Bass Pro. He's a real good guy in Dania Beach. And shout out to Dania Dermatology. They got my face looking real nice. Yeah, but they wrote me a slip and everything. I should be able to pick it up tomorrow, and I'll show y'all tomorrow when I pick up the gun and everything and stuff like that. It's real nice. I bought some bullets and things like that. So stay tuned.
Eventually.
Yep. I had to call the FDLE. It was a misunderstanding, something small that held up the whole process, but I'm good now. I'm here to pick it up now. I'm here to pick up.
If I were you, I'd just sign in for now. You only got one person ahead of you.
They did it again. I was here a couple of days ago. They did the same thing.
All right. It's just because we don't have a ton of people here today. But just in case, I can probably...
Everything's already paid for. It's been released. I've been approved, and just gotta walk in and walk out.
I'll get you next.
Get an escort walk out.
Yeah, I can get you next, but I would just sign in just in case.
I got you. No problem. Thank you. Favorite right here. Now it's time to take it to the range. When I get back from this trip, I'm going to the gun range, and I can take them all to the gun range, all my guns, and we can shoot them all. That could be another video when I come back, and then I'll be ready for another trip, and I can show y'all that trip. So I'll see y'all on the next one.